Hi, I'm Juliet from Fresh Cut Paper, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the Grande Japanese Cherry Blossom. First, we're going to pull everything out of the envelope and set that aside. You'll see you have your matching note card, which you can set aside. You're going to open up the bouquet and take off the instructions. You can set that aside for your reference. Then you have your full flat bouquet, and you're ready to pop it open. So what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze at the neck of the vase, and then push up from the bottom while tilting the vase upside down. This will pop your bouquet open, and now to make it fully full, you'll see turquoise dots along different petals. You're going to pull down on the petals of turquoise dots until they extend fully into their position. Make sure you look at the back, as there's 2 turquoise dots to pull down in the back. Once you have pulled all of them down, you can then take all the turquoise dots off, so your bouquet is ready to display. Once you've lowered all the blossoms and removed all the turquoise stickies, you are ready to brighten up any space with your new bouquet. Thanks for watching, and enjoy from all of us at Fresh Cut Paper.